Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make curry chicken foot Jamaican style. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the curry chicken foot. So these are the chicken foot I'm going to curry. I just need to cut off the nails off of them. See how clean and beautiful them is. So I'm going to use thyme, scallions, garlic, onion, one hot pepper, one tomato, going to use an Irish potato, one medium carrot. Also, I'm going to use sweet pepper. I'm just going to cut off a small piece of each one of this one. So I'm going to use onion powder, garlic powder, some pimentos, a little bit of black pepper, my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. Going to use some green seasoning. Going to also add butter beans to the curry chicken foot. This the curry I'm going to use, better pack curry powder. Now I'm going to prep all the ingredients before. So I'm just going to start off by prepping the carrot and Irish potato. So for the chicken foot them, we just need to cut off the toenails them. Just like this. Pretty easy to cut off. Just like this. Okay, now I'm going to wash the chicken foot with lime and white vinegar. So you can see they're very clean, nice and beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to season up the chicken foot them, and this is 4 pounds of chicken foot. Okay, 1 tablespoon onion powder, tablespoon garlic powder, teaspoon black pepper, my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Going to add pimentos. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm going to burn 1 in the oil, and now I'm going to add 1 to the chicken foot. 2 tablespoons blend green seasoning. Going to drizzle some oil over it. Now I'm going to massage the seasoning in the chicken foot. Okay, that is it. Now I'm going to wrap it with aluminum foil. Now I'm going to put the chicken foot them in the fridge to marinate for 2 hours before I cook it. So see after 2 hours time. Okay, it is already 2 hours since me seasoned the chicken foot. Now I'm going to start the cooking process. Turn on the stove. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to start off saute the onions. Turn down the stove. Don't want the onions to burn. Now I'm going with the garlic. Ginger. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon curry powder. Remember, I put 1 on the chicken foot already. So in total, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. If your stove is on high, you're going to burn up everything. So make sure your stove not too high. Now I'm going to add the chicken foot. Now I'm going to add some hot water from the kettle. That is enough water. Chicken foot take 45 minutes to 1 hour to cook. So I'm going to allow it to cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm going to come and season it up. I'm going to add the carrot, potato, and the rest of seasoning, okay? So the water almost dry out. We're going to add some more water in it. Give it a stir. Soon as it come to a boil, I'm going to season up the pot with the rest of ingredients. Alright, now it come to a boil. I'm going to add the thyme, the pepper. Remember, I'm not going to make the pepper burst, okay? I'm going to add the carrot and Irish. Now I'm going to add the sweet peppers and tomato. Add the scallions. Now I'm going to cover it up for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add the beans. Going to cover it up for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's ready to serve. As you can see, it cooked to perfection. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. Alright, I'm going to have some with some white rice, as you can see. Look how nice and beautiful this is, my people. Some gravy. Look on this gravy. So here you have it. Curry chicken foot, Jamaican style. Go for your bite. It's well hot, but I'll go for your bite. So good. Falling off the bones. Okay, my people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out. See you in the next video.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.